Alright guys, let's watch here Concorde Tesla taking off from Saba Island here in the short runway. Let's see guys, let's take off. Amazing takeoff. That's the Concorde guys, Tesla Concorde. It was a beautiful takeoff. Very nice. Let's get closer. Alright guys, now we are climbing here over the Saba Island. Amazing view, amazing takeoff. Very fast and powerful aircraft guys. That's the amazing Tesla. Look how beautiful it is, this view guys. This island. Very nice to see it. Alright, hope you guys have enjoyed this view. This amazing takeoff. Hope you guys stay safe for now. Thanks so much guys. Bye bye and thank you.